Hello guys, I'm Daniel. As you see, I'm a barbershop owner. So today I'm gonna show you how to make fade by yourself at home. First of all, you need to prepare all these tools. It's very simple. Just a clipper and a comb. That's all. Here is 5 tips. The first step, put your hand on your side. You see this area? Here's what you need to do. Over this area, like here, do nothing, please. And step 2, square 3 parts, black, gray, and white. So let's get started. The step 3, put the number 2 size on your clipper. And we are going to do the part of black. Okay. So you just go around this circle and strike. Go up, strike. Don't go too much up. Yeah. And slow. Keep straight and slow. If you don't see your back, you can prepare the other mirror and on your side. Now you can see. Keep going. Keep going. Go straight. Go straight. Don't go up too much. Yeah. Go straight and slow. And now it's the other side. Straight. Straight. And take easy. Don't do it too fast. Just slowly. Okay, now you see the part of black. We finished. Simple, easy, right? Now we are going to do the part of gray. You see that? 1.5, 4.5 millimeter. And put on your clipper. Do the same way. And here's one thing you need to notice. Don't go up too much over the part of black. You will miss the part of black. It will sucks. Look sucks. Okay, let's get started. It's quite simple. The same way. Go straight and keep it slow. Follow the circle. the other side. Same way. It's not so hard, right? Okay, great. And now we finish the pot of gray. See that? Not bad, right? The tips 5. We are going to do the last part, the part of white. Okay, it's very simple. You don't need to put anything on your clipper. Like this. Okay. Don't go up too much. Very important. Okay, let's do it. Keep slow and straight. Don't go too much up. And take the mirror to see how you really do. Don't go too much up. Follow the circle, right? The most important thing is don't go too much up, right? Or you have to prepare 2 mirrors. Yep. Now we finish the last part, right? Congratulations, you did it! You did it! See? The last part. You did it, right? See that again. Not bad, right? So here is the technical for how to make fade by yourself at home. So if you guys have any question, please leave message below here. I will answer to you. And share your friends, please, and like, please share your friends, and let me know you like this video. Next time, I will tell you how to do cut by yourself at home. Okay, cheers. Oh, okay, help me one thing. Please tell my friend I know you are so much want to get haircut, but I can't help you right now. So I teach you. I made this video to you how to do things by yourself. Okay, I will cheers.